J&J Auto Wrecking test video of MTCE397. This is a sad one. A very, very nice 1996 Chevrolet Corvette with some massive title problems. No idea. We know we can do some shady stuff and probably get a title, but that's just not how we roll. So nonetheless, we are parting this beautiful car out. Go ahead and fire it up here. 30,358 miles. This is a shame. Yeah, nothing we can do about it. LT1 under the hood will be sold as a swap. Motor, transmission, belt-driven accessories, ECU, and harness. Sounds phenomenal. Just a really good running motor. I'm gonna get this hood prop to go down. We'll be selling all the parts off of this. Nice front bumper cover. We're parting it out. We've got a bunch of them. OEM headlights. Aftermarket wheels with some good tires though. They're gonna be for sale. I mean, this thing has a battery that's only like 2 months old in it, so no real idea why, but it's on a bill of sale, parts only. Nothing we can do about it. Let's step inside here and test some parts. Door panels will be sold as a pair of seats. Beautiful roof, Olympic white paint matched. Oh, all right. Might help if I close the door. There we go. Windows are working well. She's making good oil pressure. See if we can get the air to kick on. Radio works well. See if Andy can get me a CD real fast. Hey, you got a CD? Doesn't work. Oh! CD player doesn't work, folks. A very nice OEM armrest there. Hard to find. Power seat. Yeah, it all works. Headlights. Aha, they both pop up. And this thing is sweet. Transmission, reverse, drive. Sorry folks, it's just too early for a burnout. Oh, that power mirror doesn't work. None of them do. Huh. Either a switch went bad or the motors. I'm gonna guess this power window switch is no good. Huh. Is what it is. Oh, what's going on here? What? Oh. That's how we control these. Just a nice, good sounding C4 Corvette. This is the awkward part. You watch a 6'1" chubby dude get out of a Corvette. Did it with style. All right, that is gonna wrap it up for MTCE397, our I already forgot, it's a 1996 Chevrolet C4 Corvette, Olympic white. If you guys look for any of the parts you may have seen in this video, I'll leave a link in the description down below to our website, www.jnjautoracking.com, or you guys can always give us a call toll free at 800-425-1555. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Stay classy, YouTube.